2, 3. If you don't focus on me. 1, 2, 3. If you don't focus on me. Just kidding. Okay. Hey boo, it is Ashley here coming to you with another video. I know y'all, I'm sorry I've been gone for so long, but I'm here now. And this video today I'm about to show y'all is totally different from my fashion videos. So, your girl, the nails are looking crazy, and I'm getting tired of paying people $60, $70 to do my nails. So that good old TikTok always wooed me in to the wrong side, and then I managed to be on nail TikTok, and thankfully I was able to partner up with this brand called Madam Glam, so I can now do my nails at home for the fraction of the price. Because baby, the way these gas prices are set up right now, something's gonna have to give, right? So thankfully I was able to partner up with Madam Glam. They are based out of New York, and they've been honing it down since 2014, and I must say these colors that they have are amazing. Over 800 shades of colors, y'all. 800, okay? But let me show you the products that they were able to send me, and I am so thankful. So let me show y'all. All right, y'all, so let's get into this packaging right here. They send me over 3 colors, a base gel and a top coat gel. Super cute. The inside is padded as well, and it gave me like some cute instructions on how to do my nails, because baby, we ain't paying $80. No more. No more. So they do sell these as well, and it's like the perfect size for like traveling. If you do go somewhere and you need to do your nails on the run, you can just throw this in your bag, and it is small enough and cute enough to fit in like a carry-on or freaking your check bag, you know what I'm saying? So for the colors that I did decide to go with, I went more on like a neutral side. So the first one is like a builder gel, so it's like a nude type of color. I will get more closer so you can see these a little bit better. So this is called Builder Light Beige. Another color, it's more towards like the nude side, and this one is called Ballerina. And look at the detail on how their packaging is. It is super cute, and it shows you the color on the top as well. And then the last color that I received was a cashmere gray, and y'all, super neutral. Don't look at my nails now, because we're about to fix those in a little bit, because your girl's been looking a little rough. I was in the field, and your girl needs to look a little purrish for work, okay? But let's get into these colors. And if you do decide to order, which I recommend that you do because I absolutely love these, I have a coupon code that I will leave in the description bar, and the link as well to go to the website, so you can go ahead and order your little life away and save you 30% off, because we love to save a little coin if we need to, okay? So let's go ahead and get into the nail process, and I will show you how I do my nails. All right, boo, so here's a closer look on everything. So this is how the packaging was. It was closed, and look, hello glamorous, you are on board for an amazing VIP manicures. So please don't forget to go ahead and click the link in the description bar, and you can always choose the option to pay as you go, so you can become a VIP member, boo, because we love to save coins. So when we opened it, like I said, padding on point, and it gives you step 1, step 2 on how to apply it, the gel nail polishes. And like I said before, they have 18 colors available in 1800 shades, boo. So this is your one-stop shop right here. All right, so when it comes to the colors, I received the cashmere gray, and then this one is how it looks. I'm going to do a swatch as well The next one is called Ballerina, and this branding is super cute. It was a Builder Light Beige, and this is what it looks like. So this one, it is a little bit more on the thicker consistency side, if you can see that, just because it's a builder gel. And then it came with a top coat and a base coat. So before I start, this is the little UV lamp that they sent as well. Look how cute this is, and the size is perfect, especially if you're traveling and you need to do like a quick fix. And then you just hook it up with the cord back here, and these are the lamps, the lights. Look how cute this is. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and add on my press-ons. I'm gonna prep this nail, and then I'm gonna add on my press-ons, and then I'm gonna show you the swatches for the nails. All right, boo, so let's go ahead and get into these swatches for these colors. So the first color I'm going to show you is the Cashmere Gray. And I must say these colors are so pretty. So this is what we are working with. And I don't know why, but this smells so good. And let's do our first pass. Y'all don't judge me, I am still learning. So if it's just a swatch, so don't come for me, y'all. All the nail gurus out there, don't come for me. Look how pretty this color is. Look at this. So this next color is the Ballerina. And I mean, you can't go wrong with the nudes, y'all. So let's go ahead and put this on here. And like I said, my nail peeps, don't come for me, okay? I'm sorry, but I'm gonna get better, okay? I'm gonna get better. This smells so good. But here goes one coat of this one. Check her out. She is so pretty. So pretty. I think this is gonna be the winner, especially for work. So now for this next one, this is the Builder Gel. So it's a little bit thicker than the other ones, but I wanted a nude that I can play with. And this is the nude that I found. It's more like a sheer nude, so I wanted a sheer nude. And this is her, okay? So like I said, it's more on the thicker side. You can barely see the color, but it's so pretty. Honestly, I'll probably do this one if I was just rocking my natural nails. But look how pretty and sheer, like you can barely see it. And this is like the first coat, but she is gorgeous. I think this might be it. Like this might be my nail for work. But I'm gonna do another coat on this one and see what it looks like. Here is the 3 colors that I was sent. This is with 2 coats. I didn't put the top gel on them. I just wanted to show you the 3 colors. So this is the Cashmere Gray. This is the Builder Light Beige, and this is Ballerina. So I think I'm going to go with Ballerina for these next 2 weeks and see how it is, y'all. But beige and cashmere, these 2 colors are so cute. And I chose these colors just because of work, since I can't get all fancy smancy with my stuff. So I went with these colors. Now that the nails are prepped from step 1, now we're gonna go to step 2, apply the base coat and cure. right, y'all, so now we're gonna go with the first thin coat of the gel color ballerina, because baby, your girl gonna feel like a ballerina at work, okay? All right, so now let's apply the second coat. Now that I have the second coat, now I'm going to go with the top coat and cure it. All right, so after you put on the clear top coat, then you'll wipe it off with some alcohol to get the tacky layer off, and then you're done. So now let me do this hand. All right, boo, so thank you for watching the video. This is the final results on how the nails came out. So please use that link in the description bar to save you some coin, and hope you enjoy your DIY journey on how to do your own nails as much as I did. And then again, thank you, Madam Glam, and thanks for watching. See you next video, boo.